So do you have limited space to grow plants? Or maybe you have limited sunlight to grow the plants that you want to grow? Consider growing in containers as a way to overcome those obstacles. Containers come in many different shapes and sizes. You can get very decorative containers, or you can, do what I do, and I just reuse nursery containers. So when I build a new flower bed, add a new tree to the landscape, instead of throwing out these pots, I like to save them. You can clean them up. It's just a great, economic way to use as a planter box. So one of the first things to consider when growing in containers is what kind of plant are you going to grow? Because we need to have a large enough size pot that will fit the root system of that plant. So, you can grow things like roselle hibiscus and blueberries in containers, but those are much larger growing plants, so you're going to need something that will hold a root system for a plant that large. Number two, we got to think about drainage. So, we're going to be watering these containers there, and we don't want to trap water in the bottom. So we need to have drainage holes on the bottoms of these pots. That's why I like used nursery containers. They already have drainage holes. And one of the more popular trends in containers today is the use of these fabric pots. They're very lightweight, they come in various sizes, nice carry handles to help move them around if needed. And this particular pot here has a cool window here that allows you to look at the root zone. So it makes it a fun activity for gardening with kids. So as you can see, containers come in all shapes and sizes. For Get It Growing, I'm Will Afton with the LSU AgCenter.